Ever wondered if Venmo is just for sending money, or if you could actually use it to pay for things in real life, like with a debit card? Well, you can. And it's super easy to get one. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about the Venmo debit card, a real deal, physical card linked directly to your Venmo balance. It's perfect for when you want to use your Venmo money without having to transfer it to your bank account first. So, let's walk through exactly how you can get your hands on one. First things first, you'll need the Venmo app. Open it up and log in. Once you're in, look for the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually right next to the Me or Home button. Tap on it. Now you should see an option to get a Venmo debit card. Tap on that. Venmo will then walk you through a few quick steps to confirm your information. You'll need to provide and verify your name, date of birth, and social security number. This is a standard security step for any financial product like a debit card. After you've entered your details, Venmo will show you a preview of the card and ask you to select a color. They have a few cool options, so pick the one that you like best. Next, you'll need to confirm your shipping address. Make sure it's accurate so your card doesn't get lost in the mail. Double-check your street number, apartment number, and zip code. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit confirm. Finally, Venmo will give you a summary of your order. It will show your selected card design and the shipping address. Take one last look to make sure everything is perfect, and then submit your request. And that's it. Your new Venmo debit card will be on its way to you in about 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, you'll need to activate it through the Venmo app before you can start using it. The instructions for activation will come with the card, and it's a really simple process. Just a quick tap in the app, and you're good to go. And just like that, you'll be able to use your Venmo balance at millions of locations that accept MasterCard, both online and in stores. It's a great way to simplify your spending and put your Venmo balance to work for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.